In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat in the ChatGPT app on your phone. To get started, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure it has fully loaded. If you have not used the app recently, you may need to sign in to your account first. Just enter your login details and wait for the home screen to appear. It helps to make sure you have a stable internet connection before moving on, since voice features work best when the app can respond quickly and clearly. Once you are inside the app, look for the voice or microphone option on the screen and tap it. This is what allows you to start speaking instead of typing. Depending on your device, the app may ask for permission to use your microphone. If that happens, go ahead and allow microphone access so the app can hear you properly. Without this permission, voice chat will not work, so this step is important. After that, you can begin speaking your question or request clearly into your phone. Try to talk in a natural voice and keep your words easy to understand. It is also a good idea to be in a relatively quiet place, because background noise can sometimes affect how accurately your voice is picked up. You do not need to rush. Just say what you need, whether it is a quick question, help with an idea, or a longer request. Once you finish speaking, listen for ChatGPT's spoken response. The app will process what you said and reply out loud, making the conversation feel more natural and hands-free. Pay attention to the answer, especially if you are asking for instructions or detailed information, since this makes it easier to continue the conversation smoothly. If you want more information, ask follow-up questions using your voice. This is one of the most useful parts of voice chat because you can keep the conversation going without stopping to type. You can clarify something, ask for simpler wording, or request more detail, and the app will continue responding in the same voice-based format. When you are finished, end the voice session in the app. This usually stops the microphone and closes the active voice conversation. That is all there is to it. Once you have done it once, using voice chat in the ChatGPT app becomes quick, simple, and convenient for everyday use.